Today we are going to change the FPC connector of this sharding. I'm going to show you how you can change it and replace it. So let me just show you. First thing first, we will use our flex, a good quality flex, and take our heat gun and find users. So let's see. Now we will heat it. Let's see, we moved it. So the arc pads are fine. We will take now we put it back in the place. Put it in pressurized way and put heat and little flux and this way you can solder your FPC connectors, and here you go, we replaced it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. If you are watching on Facebook, please leave a like and follow. Thank you very much. See you in next video.